Hey everyone, this is Alex with OttoEx, and as usual, another week, another car. So I want to talk to you guys about this one. This is a super cool car. Now, right off the bat, you probably notice, hey, that's just a boring 90s, 80s Toyota Corolla. Or maybe the more astute of you can see why this is special. So I'm going to get into that. I'm just giving you guys a walk around here. And so this is actually, as you may have guessed, this is from Japan. This is a 1991 model year Toyota Corolla Saloon. Now this is a four-wheel drive package, which is something we didn't see here, at least not in this body style. And this has something really special under the hood as well. Let's get you guys a wider angle. So looking around, you guys can see the paint, the finish, it's all original. We've got it sitting on 13-inch steel wheels, slightly upsized tires to give it a better stance. These badges on the side remind you that it is a full-time four-wheel drive car. It's finished in a metallic gray. We've outfitted it with the Yakima roof racks, which suited well. So you can load up whatever you want for your future four-wheel drive adventures. Giving you some extra storage up on the roof. So now you may notice, what are these? These are front corner left and right marker lights. When you turn your front headlights on, they will start to glow green right out of the bulb there, reminding you where your corners are. Something that a lot of older Japanese cars used to put on them. This is a factory option from Toyota. Up front, you'll notice a different grille than our domestic counterparts of this vehicle, with the unique Corolla logo, which is a little C with some stuff on top, and a full-time four-wheel drive badge as well. So let's take a look inside the front. This is the limited trim, which gives a few more creature comforts than you would have in the base model. Those being power door locks, power windows, auto down on the driver's side. All four are power. You have slightly more comfortable seats with adjustable height, front height, and rear rest. This has the original floor mats. Taking a look at the headliner, you'll see it is unmarked. This particular vehicle is in about as close to mint condition as you're going to find one of these, because these were the workhorses of Japan and other countries. I know a lot of these were brought over to Russia, where they racked up quite a few miles. This is a diesel. It's not a turbo diesel, it's a naturally aspirated 2C diesel engine. That was an engine made by Toyota. It's a very classic swirl chamber diesel engine. These engines are simple. A lot of them were fitted in the Town Aces and the Light Aces and the Light Ace truck and the Town Ace truck chassis in Japan and in other countries. They're a very simple engine. You'll notice here you've got your mirror controls. Now this vehicle gets anywhere from 45 to 65 miles per gallon, highly dependent on your driving habits. I averaged about 50 to 55 in the 600 or 700 miles I've put on it. You'll see the original factory tape deck and another original AM FM. That all works. So you'll see the road flare there, standard outfitting in Japan. Another floor mat. You've got your glove box here with some odds and ends. These do not belong. Your dash is crack free. This car was clearly garaged. Apparent, both on the interior and the exterior, there's no fading. All the trim pieces, chrome trim, window trim, weather stripping, all of that stuff is still supple and maintains its proper color. In the rear, you will see original floor mats. Now you've got your rear seats, which is a 3-seater. That bench folds down forward to give you extended trunk space. Your dome light up here. You've got your sun visors, which all work as they should. I put my extended mirror on there, but that's the original mirror. All right, so what else can I show you? There's the cluster. We have 142,000 kilometers. So that's about 80,000 miles or so. I might be wrong on that. I'm just doing that off the bat. So it's got heat and AC. What else? It's a pretty standard 4-door saloon, guys. There's nothing super special about this aside from the drivetrain and the engine, which make it super special because you just can't find these. Even in Japan, they're hard to find. I had been looking for this car, this unicorn of a vehicle, for years. I finally found one. We brought it over. I've been driving it. It's great, honestly. It just barely uses fuel. I want to show you guys under the hood. It barely uses fuel. It's got a robust 4-wheel drive system, which works wonderfully. You just won't see many of these ever. And it's just, they just go. They go 300, 400, 500, 600,000 miles. It'll keep going. These engines do not give much fuss. When they're fitted in this car, they last a long time. Your airbox, your injection pump, your radiator. This battery has fitted with a module to extend battery life. That's what you see right there on the top, the gray thing. The timing belt and water pump have been serviced. There are a record of that right there on that sticker. Let's give you a look down the side again. This thing is sweet. I love it. I kind of want to keep it, but I can't keep all these vehicles. I have to let some of them go. So this one is presented for you guys. I doubt I'm gonna find another, which is a real bummer. Let me show you in the back seat. I wish they made more of these, but this CE95 chassis, it's just hard to find, and it's just so solid. I don't really know what else to say about it. These guys made it back in. I don't know how they got there. So yeah, guys, I don't know. It's so cool. I don't know what else to say other than check it out. You know, give me a call us here, ask questions, watch the video, check the gallery on our website. It's cool. I don't know if we'll have another once this is gone. I can't find them. I just can't find them in this condition, and I want to, but I can't. It's a frustrating conundrum. So this era of Corolla, I really like it. It's the more squared out body style before they became super rounded and generic, and you know what you guys would see in a post 1992 Corolla. This is not the same thing. This has more character. It has that classic shape. It's got sealed glass headlights, which is a feature we just aren't seeing on cars anymore. It's a diesel. It's a 5-speed. It's 4-wheel drive. It checks all the boxes. 1, 2, 3. Those 3 boxes: diesel, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. You know, it's something that you want. Most people want it because they know that's going to get you from A to B pretty much anywhere in the world, and it's going to do it for as long as it can. These engines, they're good. They're pretty trouble-free. Just got to maintain the cooling system. You're going to maintain those fuel filters, change the oil, you know, when you should, and it'll treat you well. So I'm going to start it up because I know you guys want to hear what it sounds like. So let's start it up. Let's listen to it. You'll notice the glow plug light on the dash because that's a diesel. You want to wait for those to warm up. So, all right. There's the glow plug on the left. Goes off. There it goes. Just purrs. Purrs like a kitten. Let's see, can I turn the radio on? There you go. You know, things work. The blower motor is a little noisy. I will point that out. That's an easy change. It lives under here. If I was going to keep it, that's something I would just do, and it can be done without much trouble. The parts on these guys, these parts are interchangeable. Most body parts are available here. Most interior parts are available. Things like the blower motor, your headlight assemblies, wheels, mirrors, taillights, headlights, pretty much all that stuff you can get here because these cars were sold here in this form. Not this exact form, but this form, this body, the glass, windshields, windows, all those things are, I'll turn that back on so you can hear it from the outside. But all those things are easy mode. You can just get them at your local auto parts store. Even this engine, the 2C engine, guess what? From 84 to 86, they put this almost the same engine in Toyota Camrys, and they sold them here for 2 years. So you can get stuff like fuel filters, air filters, even, you know, head gaskets, all that kind of stuff, because that's all available here in the US, North America. Anyways, guys, I just want to thank you for watching, checking this thing out. I'm pretty hyped about it. If you're interested in it, you can reach out, OttoEx.com, OTTOEX. Give us a call, send us an email, comment if you like it. Let me know something that I don't know about this. Feel free to reach out, and yeah, if you guys like it, let me know what you think. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.